Hello everyone, I will show you how to fix Messenger login. When you log in on Messenger, what will show up to you is, for example, if I want to log in into my account, this account, and I will tap on OK. And from here he said choose how do you like to sign in, and you need to choose your Google account. For example, I will choose this one and tap on continue and insert your passcode. And from here he will show me like this, which is enter your login code to continue logging in, or he said please try logging in on a desktop browser. And how to fix this problem, I searched for a solution for this and I found a solution for it, which is click out, and after that open Facebook. And inside Facebook, what you need to do is to tap on your menu on the right down corner and scroll down and tap on log out. And you need to sign in inside the same account you are using on Messenger. You need to log in inside Facebook and Messenger the same time, not only Messenger. If you want to sign in inside Messenger without Facebook, this doesn't work. I will sign in inside Messenger, which is this my account, the single name. Click on it, and as you see from here, what I will do after that, I will tap on the Messenger icon on the right top corner and tap on continue as Hussein, which is my name, my account. As you see, we sign in without any problem, and the problem is fixed. As you see, that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.